So since I'm doing my packaging, I thought I'd go ahead and just show you the process. So I do like to use the toppers. You guys know I've done a video on the toppers, and they're just a great way to package things. And as you can see here, I've been using my washi tape, my new washi that I picked up from Joann's. And so for this topper here, I used the Avery L topper die to cut this out. And then this is I think it's a Michael's, a Recollections brand of flowers. It's these that have the gold scripts on them. And so I just layered a couple of them and then put a bling in the middle. But I layered several washi tape, and this is a great way to use your washi. So that's how I packaged this one. And then I went ahead and made this one here using the other washi tape that I have, and this other one here from my stash. Some more flowers, Recollection flowers, and a bling. So just really quick and easy. A couple of washi again. And this heart came from the inside of this little handle here. And this die was gifted to me by my friend Sophia. Hey girl! And I just took that heart and put it here. And then this bling is also gifted to me by Sophia. And I love it because it's like a geo heart. As you can see, it's like faceted. And so I love the way it looks. And that one looks like this right here. It comes in a roll, and I just snipped one heart and a couple of the flat back pearls next to it. And I just did that. So see how easy that was? So let's go ahead and decorate a couple of these. So I thought we'd go ahead and do that. So for this one, I think I want to use this washi again. So let's go ahead, and it's a super thick washi though, so it doesn't leave you that much room to play. But so I kind of just line up to where I kind of want my washi, and then I'll go ahead and actually add adhesive because you know, you have to add more adhesive if you want it to stay on there and so that it doesn't move. You can use your ATG gun, or even wet glue is fine. So I'll do one side and then I'll do the other side. You know, because washi is, I don't think it's really meant to stay on there. Usually it comes off. Oh, and if you have anything bulky, if your adhesive balls up, just remove that because you want it nice and flat. And then you just cut the excess, and then you can embellish it further. You can put either flower or, like I did with one, some bling, whatever you want to do to embellish it. Some stickers. So, but I usually like to layer at least a couple of washi tape. So we can use this one because this one's nice and sparkly. If I can find the end. Let's see, here it is. Okay, so that's super thin. So let's go ahead and just use a little more adhesive. Oh, this is a little wide. Yeah, I have to use this one. So I'll actually adhere that before I put this one on. And if there's any excess, we can easily cut that off. There you go. And if you have any excess adhesive on the bottom, I just kind of ball it up like that. And it does come off real easily. Okay, so look how simple that is. And again, you can just stick a flower on there. I think I like putting a flower there because, you know, it's a unicorn. And I just think the flower will make it pretty. So I just use my Fabri-Tac just to make sure that it actually stays on there. And let's see, where do I want it? Do I want it in the middle? No. I always like to put it on the left side for some reason. So just put a little adhesive. And in no time you have a topper. Like that, and then just a little bling in the middle, and that's why I always like to have these. But I think I want the other one. Let's see. You know, let's just look through our stash here. And so I want a pearl on there. I think I want to just, yeah, I think I'm just going to go with the pink. This pink one here, it's a bit iridescent. And we can actually use the big one here because there's I'm kind of almost out of Fabri-Tac. I do have another bottle actually, so let's just grab the other bottle here. I was just trying to finish up that other bottle. And I don't know, I just like Fabri-Tac. It does get messy, but for some reason I just like that it just stays put. You know, and it's a little bit thicker than the other glue, the glossy accent. So you're not sitting there holding embellishments in place. So there it is. So yeah, see how simple those toppers came out to be. So just a quick and easy process video here so that you can create some really simple, easy peasy toppers. So I hope you guys like my video, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.